Hello, namaste, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been watching this channel lately, this channel is all about the tips and suggestions for the student visa and student life in the UK. I am Ganesh Kharka, CEO of Unilateral Consultancy based in London and in Kathmandu, Nepal. I carry more than 11 years of higher education experience in the UK, and now I'm a British Council certified counsellor and also a PhD candidate at University College London. As promised earlier in my video, I'm back again in YouTube to explore one of the segments of student visa. I've been getting lots of messages about maintenance funds, and it seems a lot of students are struggling to show the exact balance to cover their maintenance fund, which covers 10 points in the student visa system. As the student visa is a 70-point based immigration system, 10 points will be covered by the maintenance fund. So for the fresh application from overseas, the question is, how much money do you need? If you apply under the student route after 1st of December 2020, the money you need depends on your circumstances and where you're applying for. If you're applying for a course in London, it will be £12,006 and £9,207 for the courses outside London. Also, if you are not paying the full fees, the remaining balance should be in your account. So let's do the maths. Let's say your tuition fee for the first year is £15,000 and you pay £3,000 as a deposit, then the remaining balance of £12,000 should also be in your account to cover your remaining tuition fee on top of your maintenance fund. You must have this money for at least 28 consecutive days if it's a cash in the bank. If you have a student loan, you'll need to provide evidence of this from your bank and don't have to wait for 28 days in case of your education loan. So what are the types of fund you can rely on? Obviously, you can rely on your own money or an official financial or government sponsorship or grant. A student loan from a government-sponsored loan company or a regulated student loan scheme. You can rely on your parents' money if they provide an affidavit letter confirming that you can use the money, and your partner's money if your partner is present in the UK or applying at the same time. So what are the evidence that are normally not accepted? It will be overdrafts, Bitcoin savings, stocks and shares, pensions, bank account that are not regulated by the financial regulated body in the country you're applying from. So in the case of Nepal, the bank must be regulated by Nepal Rashtra Bank. And normally I would recommend you to put money in the A-listed bank. And bank accounts that don't use electronic record keeping are not recommended. And last but not the least, my suggestion would be to show at least a couple of £1000s higher than the actual required amount, just to be on safe side because of the daily currency fluctuation. Alright guys, that's it for today. In the next video, I'll be digging another segment of a student visa. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends. If you have any comments, please do not hesitate to get in touch. My Facebook and WhatsApp details have been shared in the comment section below. I look forward to hearing from you. For now, it's time to say goodbye and namaste.